I'm out here for night number 2 of my January night lapses. This particular month has been a great one because there's snow on the ground and there's that full moon shining off the snow. The somewhat clearish nights have coincided with that full moon. At the same time, there's some great cloud patterns going over. And tonight looks to be no exception. I think there's going to be some excellent clouds tonight. So I'm about to get that night lapse started. The sun has set now and the moon is going to be rising in the east soon. Now for tonight's night lapse, I'm going to have the camera pointing to the west. So we're going to see the moon in this night lapse during the second half of the night. But the first time lapse I'm going to be showing in this video was filmed last night, and that was filmed with the camera pointing east. So you're going to see the rising moon in that one. Again, I love these time lapses with the snow on the ground. They're some of my favorites, with the clouds and the moon and the stars above the snow. And I hope you enjoy these. If you haven't seen my best settings video yet for night lapses, I've linked to the one specifically for the Hero 10, which I'm filming these on. And I've also linked to my general night lapse video. Enjoy.